Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix waiting for connection on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here you're going to find your profile icon. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is check your internet connection because this problem might be just because you're having a bad internet. So make sure you're connected to a good internet. If you are already connected to a good internet, then try to go to Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. So first of all, close Instagram and then go to Play Store. And then once you're here on Play Store, go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Instagram and then you're going to find it here. Give it a click and then you're going to be here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, go ahead and check which version you have and check if you are up to date. So if you want to know if you are up to date or not, so as you can see guys, here I have open. If you're not up to date, you're going to find updates instead of open. If you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be update Instagram application to the latest version. Once you update Instagram, go back and open it again. And then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.